After being injured in a car accident in Stockton, you may face major medical bills and car repair expenses. To avoid having to cover these yourself, you'll need to prove that the other driver caused your crash. An accident report from the Stockton Police Department can help prove you weren't to blame. Your Maison Law attorney can get a copy of the police report for you, but you can also request a copy directly. Just visit the Stockton government website where you can look up your crash report online through Buy Crash with LexisNexis. You'll need to know the date of your collision, plus the name of an involved party or information about where it happened. You'll pay around $15 for a copy of your report. Unfortunately, you'll need more than a police report to prove that the other driver was at fault, especially in complex accidents. Sometimes, the other driver's insurance company will try to blame you. Other times, the police report might say that you were at fault when you weren't. If you're injured in your accident and you weren't at fault, it's always a good idea to check in with a personal injury attorney at Maison Law. We offer free consultations so that you can fully understand your legal options. If it's in your best interest for us to represent your case, we'll stand by you every step of the way, allowing you to just focus on your recovery. Call us today